It is almost the end of the school year, and it is time for a fresh haircut.
We're giving them every type of fade, anything they ask, burst fades, tapers, low draws, mid draws, mid fades. Anything they want, come overs, anything, texture, anything they want.
Dylan was among the students who were ready for the end of the year academic activities.
Well, they're giving us good cuts. They're giving us cuts for proms, awards.
David De Leon, a former PSJA alumnus, thought it was the perfect time to give back to the community.
Just to give out to the community, help them out. Some family maybe can afford giving the prices, pay the extra money for haircuts, so we're helping out the community. It's nice seeing the students happy, seeing everyone happy, and the smile on their faces when they get the haircut finished, it's nice.
David started to get his hands-on experience at PSJA Memorial Early College High School.
Yeah, I went through the cosmetology program, and it helped me become a better person and learning more about some of the art of barbering and cosmetology.
Over 25 students at Vela Middle School got free fresh haircuts. This was something that was appreciated by everyone.
It's really rewarding to work for a district that enables students in their best abilities, whatever it might be. So, it's really nice that, Mr. De Leon graduated with his cosmetology certificate and is now coming back and giving back to the community.
Now Dylan, along other classmates, will have a fresh fade just in time for upcoming events.
Feels nice because they gave us this opportunity to get this free cut. In general, I just like it. It'll make me look better and get more confidence and more motivation.